You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Italian. If you want to learn some of Italian, useful Italian vocabulary and names of famous places in Italy, make sure to stay tuned. Okay, so let's break down the Italian pronunciation. Civita is how it's pronounced. Okay, the C at the beginning is pronounced like a CH before an I. C is pronounced with CH in Italian, okay, like cappuccino. It's a hilltop village in central Italy, in Lazio, I believe. Civita di Bagnoregio. Bagno, okay, GN in Italian is pronounced like Gn, okay, Bagnoregio. G-I-O is pronounced like J-O, Reggio, Bagnoregio, Civita di Bagnoregio. That's how you pronounce it correctly in Italian. Now, in English, you can simply say it as Civita di Bagnoregio, Civita di Bagnoregio. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.